So today is our last day at Straits State Park, and there is like hardly anyone here, which totally surprises me. I mean, like, all these campsites are pretty much empty. I figured it would be a lot busier than it is, just because it's peak fall season for all of the colors and everything, and actually it's supposed to be up to 70 today. But anyway, everybody's kind of heading out, and we're just gonna enjoy this beautiful campground, maybe do a hike, enjoy the campfire and this gorgeous beach to ourselves. So it's actually been a nice little vacation, secluded. We're kind of sad to go. Just got to Castle Rock, and I think this is gonna be a fun little hike. So far I've seen a lot of cute little Bigfoot pretend sightings and lots of cool views up ahead. Should be a good little hike. Okay, we just hiked up all these stairs, and this is only part of them. It actually wraps around at the bottom as well, and we have to go up all of those steps too. Definitely not wheelchair friendly, but we are all winded and had to take a little seat over here in this nice little shack that they built. It is just breathtaking up here, but one thing you might not know about me, I am terrified of heights. My legs are shaking. So we finished our hike in the gift shop, and check out these ceilings and the walls. They are the original birch wood with the twigs and everything that the Native Americans originally put up. It's just amazing, so cool. Make your day.
Yes.
You've been wanting that for a while.
Yes.
All right, Vera, what did you get?
I got a necklace with its own pearl. You get to open it yourself.
Yes. No, oh, too late. One to the boys.
So there's a tally. Do girls or boys tip better? Looks pretty even right now. Sorry, what, Vera? What did you say?
You need to step up your game. Dad's being the fun parent right now.
Really? So after all of that ice cream, the kids are kind of in their comatose state and they just needed to lay down for a nap and kind of digest all of that ice cream. So Keith and I decided to go on a walk, and we're just in the Straits State Park looking at different views of the Mackinaw Bridge and just kind of enjoying the trails by ourselves. There's nobody out here. So it's pretty fantastic to be able to let Skylar off his leash and enjoy this nice nature walk. Finally.
First time.
Was it?
It looks like it's about to fall off, so I'll just
I think you got something on your finger.
That's nice. Looks like a real s'more. I don't know where to buy. Oh. Oh goodness. I think I got marshmallow on my glasses. I did. Just gotta take a bare marshmallow.